crafty friends, I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to day 1 of the 12 Days of Christmas series hosted by Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. I am very pleased to join an esteemed group of crafters who will share their Christmas craft ideas, and they will also be giving away fun prizes on their channels. In order to participate, you must be 18 years or older, a U.S. resident. You must leave a comment and also be a visible subscriber to all of the channels participating in this hop. Today, I'm very pleased to introduce a design team project that I've created for MyScrapChick digital SVG files. Before I review the project in detail, let me tell you about some of the items that I used. I am using a paper collection by Crafter's Companion called Poinsettia Perfection. This is part of a broader collection and it is absolutely stunning. I've done a full craft haul on this collection, so please be sure to check the link at the top of the screen to see that video. This is my project. It is a box with a 3D bow. This box measures 3 by 3 inches and I think it is absolutely darling. This can be used any time of the year for any occasion, and I think it is perfect for jewelry or any small gift. As you can see, it's got this beautiful bow, and although this looks fairly complicated to make, I will show you at the end of this project review how to make this bow and the box. It also has a little tag on the top, and I've used a sentiment from the paper collection. Here is an example of some of this beautiful paper from the Poinsettia Perfection collection. Now that I've shown you my project, I'm going to grab my materials and we can make this together. I've gathered the materials to make our box with 3D bow. When you download the file, you will receive this PDF file which shows you what the box looks like as well as the size dimensions. Now I have imported this into Cricut Design Space and I will be cutting it out on my Cricut Maker. In your file, you will receive the base of the box, and to save time, I've already gone ahead and glued on the decorative panels. I've also inked the edges with a dark green ink, and this is a powder puff chalk ink. You also receive this box top, and I've glued on these side panels here as well as the decorative center. This decorative center is the same size as the rest of these panels. However, it has a tiny hole in the center. I don't know if you can see it. It's in the center of the top. That's where the bow will be attached. And then you have this tag. This piece in the center where it says Season's Greetings, I've simply cut out from the paper collection. So let's start by assembling our box. I've already gone ahead and folded along the score lines, and you'll notice that there are tabs on either side of these panels. You have tabs here as well as tabs here. What you want to do is glue them to its neighbor, just like so. Okay, so let's put glue on that. Okay, you want to get it right to the score line. I'm going to use my bone folder to make sure there's a nice strong adhesion. Then you want to move on to the next tab. And we will continue this on all of the sides until we have a completed box. So our box is complete. Now we're going to do the lid, and you want to make sure that you score on all the fold lines. And we're going to fold the tabs in just like so. And you're going to repeat this on all remaining sides. Now that we have our box and our lid finished, I'm going to set this off to the side, and we're going to make our 3D bow. In your file, you'll have this piece that looks like an X. You'll have 4 longer strips, 4 medium strips, and then 1 smaller strip. You'll also need a brad. You want to grab the smaller strip. This is going to be the center of your bow. And we're going to flip this over. We're going to put the brad on the lower hole, and we're going to curve this all the way around and then stick the brad on the back side. So now you've got a little circle, just like so. Then you want to grab your medium pieces, and I want this side showing, so I'm actually going to turn this over stick it through the bottom hole. I'm going to bring it towards me and then turn. So it's almost like a figure 8. Okay, so I'll do that again. I'm going to turn these pieces over. I'm going to stick this brad in this lower hole. I'm going to curve this piece towards me and then turn it around to the back, just like so, and then stick it through so it creates a nice loop. And you don't have to worry about arranging the bows. We can do that later. Okay, grab your next piece, stick the brads through, pull it towards you, turn it backwards so that it curves, and stick the brad, and there is your other loop. Okay, let's do that one more time. Pull this towards you, turn it around so that you have this little loop, and stick the brad in. This is starting to shape up nicely, so we've got our 4 points here. Now we're going to grab the larger piece, and I want the plaid piece to be on the bottom. So I'm going to turn these over, grab my large piece, stick it through the hole, and repeat the same process. Bend it towards me, pull it back, and then stick it through the brad. Okay, and we've got one more long piece. Pull it towards me, turn the piece around, and stick it through the brad. Okay, before we put this piece on, we're going to put our little tag on. Just stick it through, just like so. And then we're going to put this piece on. And then the last step is to attach it to the box. And we're going to stick this right through the hole on the top of the box. And you want to open up your brad and make sure there's a nice tight grip. And then you can just arrange your bow as you wish. And that creates a beautiful little box. This concludes my review of my box with 3D bow. I just love the way this turned out, and as you saw, it's very quick and easy, but it's very elegant. This can be used any time of the year for any season and any occasion. And this is perfect for jewelry. Hopefully I've inspired you with some new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that little bell so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. Be sure to check in tomorrow for day 2 of the 12 Days of Christmas Craft series. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.